It's the John the Frog Show. Brought to you by me, John.
Hey guys, John here with episode 6 of the John the Frog Show. Thank you everyone for yesterday. Yesterday was such a big day for John. John tripled in views. We went from our 100th view party in the morning yesterday to 300 views. Just really excited about that. We're up to 20 subscribers now. Thank you to all of John's friends who have joined John's fan club. If you have not joined John's fan club on Facebook yet, look below. They're right down there above the comments. Just look. You'll see a link. Go ahead and add that, and you'll get updates on all of John's new shows. So John's got some kind of interesting news. He's not running for president actually until 2024 because he's only 28, and I guess you have to be 35 years old to run for president for some reason. I don't understand that. I feel like I could be a good president, but now that I think about it even more, I don't really have time for that. So with all the videos and how popular the channel's getting, so we got some really big news, guys. I'm going to be posting a lot of this information on the Facebook, but I wanted this to be the announcement. John the Frog is holding an official contest. That's right, it's going to be running from today to June 25th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now this contest is to come up with a logo for the John the Frog Show. Not only will your logo appear on the John the Frog Show, but the winner will receive a special edition shirt with my face on the back and your logo on the front of the shirt. So please send in your submissions on my Facebook page. Again, look below above the comments. And I wanted to give a huge shout out to one of John's biggest fans. Her name is Haley. Thank you, Haley, for watching the John the Frog Show. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and remember to subscribe.